In this video, I will show you how to use widgets. Widgets are small blocks that add specific features and functions to your site. They're very simple to use and they make it easy to customize your site without additional coding. I will be using the Revolution Pro theme for this demonstration. To get to your widget area in your dashboard, you go down to Appearance and then click on Widgets. Each theme comes with various widgets already pre-installed. And so you'll see all of the available widgets for your current theme. Okay. Now, for this site, these are the widgets that have already been included in the various widget areas. There's the primary sidebar area, footer 1, footer 2, and after entry. So I want to show you where those widgets will be at on the live site. So this says primary sidebar. This is assuming that you are using a version of the site that has at least 2 columns. So in order to do that, let's go to the customizer, theme settings, site layout. Right now it's full with content, so you wouldn't see that sidebar. So we're going to make it content primary sidebar and publish that. Now when we go to a post, let's see which post they have. There's only one, so let's see that one. Hello World. You can see everything that would be in the sidebar. Now let's go back to our widget area. Let's see, from search to meta, that is what it's saying should be. And there's the search bar and all the way down to the meta. So yes, the widgets for the sidebar are there. Footer 1, it says it should have a text that says design inspiration. So let's go down. This is the footer 1 area, the title and the text. All right. It's very easy to add a text widget. You just go over to text, click it, put it in the area. You know what? Let's just delete this one so I can show you how to do a text widget while we're here. Go to text, and then you go down to the area you want to put it, and you click add widget. So I'm going to title it Design Inspiration, and I'm just going to say, do what you like. And you save it. Let's see what it looks like on the site. There you go. That's that area. That's how easy it is to add a text widget to a site. Okay, what other areas? Footer 2. Right now, this is footer 2, and they have the Genesis eNews Extended right here so they can capture newsletter subscribers. And then after entry, so that would be after single entries. There's nothing there right now. So let's do another text widget. Add the widget. And let's just title it after widget. This is a test. Let's save it. And this is where the after widget shows up. It shows up right after a post and before the comments. Okay, so I've shown you where the pre-installed widgets are and how to use a text widget. But I also want to show you that you can move these around. You can just drag and drop if you want them in a different order. You always can see if it's been reflected on your site. It has. You can also delete the widgets if you don't want all of the ones that were pre-installed. So where are we starting and stopping now? Categories and archives. And you see it reflected in your site. In the same way, you can add. What would we like to add? We don't have any posts right now. So let's add an image. Let's put that in the primary sidebar. Then we'll have to actually add an image. I don't really have many items in my library. So let's see if I can find an image. Do I have any photos? Okay. So that's the photo that I have on my file. And you can link it to a site or anything that you want to link it to when people click on it. So make sure you hit save. And let's see. And there you go. Leftovers are for quitters. Thanksgiving is coming up. That's why I have that on my computer. Okay, so I've shown you how to add, switch around, delete different pre-installed widgets. Now I want to show you how to add a widget from the WordPress plugin directory in case there's something that you want that's not already here. So in order to do that, you go to plugins, add new. And the widget I'm going to add is simple social icons. It's just an easy way for people to know where you're at around the web. Okay, I already activated that, so it should be in my plugins now. Okay, so I added it. Let's find it. There it is. And I want that in my primary sidebar. So let me add that widget. This one does not come pre-installed, so I had added that. But what you can do is put a title to it. Find me. You can also find me here. Let's do that. I like to open links in new windows. I also like my colors to match my theme, so humor me for a moment while I go and find the color. All right, I'm going to copy that. Okay. All right. And then you would add in your different URLs. I'm just putting filler right now because I haven't created any for this site yet. Then you go down and save it. Let's go back. All right. So here it is. You can also find me here, and I put it for Facebook and Instagram. As you can see, it's very easy to use pre-installed widgets. It's easy to use a text widget, and you can also add widgets from the plugin directory and include them in the various widget areas on your site. I'll say again that every site is different. So not every theme will have these particular widgets available and pre-installed. You can always add your own widgets so that you can get the features and functions on your site that you want without having to do or pay for someone else to do a lot of additional coding.